Attention supermarket warriors, feel that frustration? Watching customers walk away while you drown in web developer bills? Pause. Today ends that pain. Lean in. For just $99, deploy the identical enterprise platform elite agency code with BitWizards built for UK's fresh choice market at $1,200. Power up. Imagine shoppers swiping through stunning virtual aisles, live adjusting organic produce quantities, checking out via card or cash on delivery, while your automated system pause schedules doorstep deliveries like a Swiss watch. This mobile-optimized profit machine crushed Fresh Choice's sales records by 217%, and now it's yours. See your brand splashed across this premium platform tonight. Watch orders pour in before your physical store opens. Track bestsellers in real time to dominate local trends. Urgent. But here's the emergency. Only 3 custom branded licenses remain. Faster, see that counter? Another just sold. During this message, slow dread. When they're gone, this deal vanishes forever. Your competitors are watching this right now. Will you let them steal your future? Rapid fire scan the QR now with code SUPER99 to claim. Military-grade security, AI delivery optimization, 0 monthly fees, plus bonus explosion, free lifetime hosting, $240. Free AI product photography, $150. Free Google ad credits to flood your store with customers. Private training to master your new weapon, voice break. This isn't just $1,101 saved. It's your competitor's worst nightmare activating before sunrise. Hear their groans as your delivery vans outnumber theirs. Reclaim thousands in lost sales by this weekend. Gasp the final license. Alert, prices triple at midnight. Your digital empire awaits. Whisper don't let hesitation bankrupt your future. Rising intensity. Scan type super $99. Claim your $99 revolution. Now before time. Silence. Runs out. Final echo move. Now or regret forever. Air horn blast. Wait before you hesitate. New emergency update. In the 90 seconds since we started, 2 more licenses have vanished. Ticking clock SFX. Only 1 custom branded platform remains in inventory. Desperate whisper. And the owner of Freshmart Bristol just messaged me. My first order came in before installation finished. Pause, this is happening right now across the UK. Your midnight deadline crashed forward. Due to insane demand, prices will triple in just 55 minutes. Gasp. That means your $99 revolution could become $297 before you finish this video. Glass shatter nuclear. Upgrade activated. Because you stayed. Because you're serious. I'm arming your system with Command Center Dashboard. $197 value. Watch live. Best-selling items. Delivery driver locations. Real-time profit margins. Machine gun SFX Plus. Voice command inventory. Just say restock bananas and bam. Supplier alert sent. Final objection. Crusher. What if it doesn't work for my store? Lean in. I'll personally spend Sunday in your shop. Free. Customizing every aisle. Explosion and I'm adding a 200% guarantee. If sales don't increase within 30 days, I'll pay you $198. That's double back. Voice break. This is insane but necessary because that last license must go now. Red alert procedure. 1. Pause this video. 2. Scan cure with shaking finger. 3. Scream Super $99 in the message box. Your phone will ring before cure finishes scanning. I'll be on live video showing your brand on the system. Sirens ignore this. Tomorrow you'll see. Competitors laughing at your empty parking lot. Your regulars posting unboxing videos from their stores. That $99 price replaced by $1,200, sold out, dead silence. Don't be the owner they pity. Epic music swells, be the godfather they fear. Seize the last system, transform from grocer to tycoon before. Digital clock strikes 11:59, time evaporates, gun cock, do it, now, forever.